Hello friends, my name is Dr. Ajit Vijayan and I am a clinical microbiologist and a hospital infection control officer working in Pushpagiri Medical College Hospital in a place called Tiruvalla in Kerala. I am making this presentation on behalf of the Rotaract Club of SDNB Vaishnav College, and I must especially express my gratitude and my thanks to one of the Rotaract Club members, Ms. Dharika, for having given me this humbling opportunity to share my views on this Doctor's Day. Microbiology is a branch of medicine which deals with infectious diseases caused by microbes. Can be a bacteria, virus, parasite, or a fungus. I need not tell you more about the importance of my specialty because currently the world is under the grip of COVID-19. We all know that, and this is caused by a virus. What interested me to pursue clinical microbiology was the revelation that these small microscopic organisms, which we can hardly see through our naked eye, has got the tremendous potential to impact the lives and livelihoods of all the human beings across the globe, irrespective of our caste, creed, religion, region, or gender. So this revelation actually fascinated me to learn more about these microbes. I became a doctor mainly because of my father, because I used to see him treat patients as a child. Those images are still fresh in my mind. Therefore, my proudest moment as a doctor would be that day when one of my patients whom I treated actually went back to my father and told him that he got cured because of his son. So that is definitely one of my proudest moments. Now, apart from being a doctor, I also teach medical students. So when every medical student comes and tells me that after their course is over, that they are well placed and they are serving the community as a doctor in different institutions across the country, that is also one of my unforgettable and one of my memorable moments as a doctor. If you ask me questions like what I do to relieve my stress, I would say that I will just take a pause, nothing more than that, because when you take a pause, you get your thoughts organized, and when you get your thoughts organized, things start working again. There is no such dichotomy in my life as a personal life and a professional life. I treat both personal and professional life in the same level. So I really don't need to maintain that balance, if you put it that way, between my personal life and professional life, because my profession is my personal life and my personal life is my profession. So the point that I'm trying to make is, if you love what you're doing, then there is no such distinction as a personal life or a professional life. Okay. Well, if you ask me what is the impact of microbiology on health development and disease prevention, definitely microbiologists do play a major role in both these aspects, because if you look at the history of the world, penicillin, the antibiotic, was discovered at the end of the World War II. So the point that I'm trying to make is, whenever there was a major change in the history of mankind, there was a major discovery, similar major discovery in treating the infectious diseases also. So in that way, we are definitely, microbiology is definitely contributing towards understanding of these microbes to cause infections, and also this understanding will help us to prevent infections caused by these microbes. And the message that I would like to give all of you is a very simple thing. It is just that we need to have good thoughts. Okay, there is a Sanskrit saying which goes like this: yata chinta tata vacho, yata vachas tata kriya. That means as is your thought, so will be your mind. As is your mind, so will be your work. So think good thoughts, do no harm, work well, serve humanity, and last but not the least, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.